The time now, it's 11 o'clock on this Monday night, February 17th, 2014 on a Monday night. Time now for the Waterman Fisher PJ Wiggins, the late night report. Monday night, February 17th, 2014. Good evening, everybody. Our current conditions at 11 o'clock in North Massachusetts got a temperature of 5 degrees with fair skies, with humidity 83%, wind speed is calm, parameter 3.33 inches, 2.1 degree, and visibility 10 miles. Alright, let's take a look at our little radar scope, and it shows a couple of bits of snow showers in east central parts of New Brunswick and searching on central and eastern parts of Nova Scotia. Snow showers also for the western and eastern portions of New Brunswick, like snow in western Prince Edward Island, while snow showers in eastern portions of Prince Edward Island here. And this is our storm. None of snow showers in southwestern interior New York down for the eastern and central portions of Pennsylvania down for western portions of Maryland and northeast portions of West Virginia and West Virginia, and rain showers in western portions of North Carolina and the Carolinas and central Georgia and Atlanta. And the snow stretches from eastern Ohio and for western Ohio and northern Indiana, down from Michigan, down for western portions of Ontario, down for northeastern portions of Wisconsin, down for UP, Michigan, and southern portions of Ontario. Now the rain showers off the Virginia coastline, off the North Carolina coastline here. And to the west, a couple of west rain showers in the northwestern portion of California. Snow showers in south-central portions of Oregon. Now the rain showers in the coastal western Oregon and Washington coastline with a few snow showers in the Olympics and Cascade Mountains of Washington, and searching in the Oregon mountains here, and searching on from portions of British Columbia, some snow and sleet showers in southern portions of British Columbia. Blobs of snow flurries in southeastern portions of British Columbia, and then from Idaho, down from northeastern portions of Oregon, and searching on western portions of Montana and northern portions of Idaho. Rain, sleet, and snow showers in the eastern portions of Montana, and down from northwestern portions of North Dakota. Sleet showers are there. Genoa, Colorado. Good evening. 30 degrees with 39 degrees with clear skies here. Alright, let's take a look at our map situation here. Big line of clouds from northern Mexico to southern New Mexico. Searching into northern Texas, it's definitely much to the southeastern states, making a curve around the Mid-Atlantic states and Great Lakes, and searching it up into Minnesota. Back to the clouds from northern portions of California, eastern portions of California, Nevada, and after northern portions of Arizona and New Mexico, down for southern Utah and Colorado, down through Kansas, down the Nebraska, searching in the eastern portions of South Dakota, down for western portions of Minnesota, down for central portions of Manitoba, down for Saskatchewan, and down for northern portions of North Dakota, down for Montana, and northern portions of Idaho, down for northern portions of Wyoming, and down for Oregon, searching in eastern and western portions of Washington State, and then from better clouds from western portions of British Columbia and northern portions of Alberta, Saskatchewan, and for portions of Manitoba here. Excuse me. Okay, let us take a look at a map situation here. High pressure centered in off the Virginia coastline, southern Quebec, northern Texas, and southwestern portion of Colorado. Cold front searching in northern California, down for Oregon and Idaho, down for western portion of Montana. Low pressure in southern portions of Alberta. Warm searching from Saskatchewan, stretching it down to southern Manitoba, down for southwestern portion of Montana, down for Minnesota and Wisconsin. Cold front from central portion of Texas and Louisiana, down for northern Mississippi, down Tennessee and Kentucky. Warm front from Kentucky, down for eastern Tennessee, down for South Carolina and out to sea. And a pink front from eastern Indiana. Low pressure centered down southern Michigan. Front of boundary from eastern portion of Ohio, down from Pennsylvania, down from south central portion of New York State. Front of boundary from western Nebraska, down from eastern Carolina, and northern New Mexico. And front of boundary from southern tip of Nevada, down from eastern California, down from Baja California, Mexico. Low pressure centered over in Baja California, Mexico, southern Alberta, central Saskatchewan, and southern Michigan. It's 21 degrees out temperature right now here in Boston. It's 31 out in Washington D.C., 60 in Atlanta, 70 in Miami, 60 in Brownsville, 61 out in Dallas, 41 in Kansas City, 25 out in Chicago, 24 in Minneapolis, 51 in Albuquerque, 49 in Denver, 46 in Salt Lake City, 56 in San Francisco, 58 in Los Angeles, 44 in Seattle, 38 in Great Falls, Montana. Looking at the regional conditions, Walt Swain, Boston, well, get out suburbs, 8 above in Bedford, 9 above in Nashua, New Hampshire, 4 in Norwood, 9 in Taunton, 16 in New Bedford, 27 in Buzzard Bay, 11 in Martha's Vineyard, 25 in Nantucket, 9 above in Falmouth, 20 in Chatham, 25 out in Port Provincetown 21 out in Marshfield, 14 in North Smithfield, and 49 in Westerly, 25 out in Block Island, 28 in Newland, and 18 in New Haven, 20 in Bridgeport, 10 above in Nanbury, 16 in Waterbury, 8 in Meriden, 15 in Hartford, 13 in Windsor Locks, 7 above in Springfield, 14 in Amherst, 13 in Greenfield, 4 above in Pittsfield, 1 below in North Adams, 2 above in Bennington, 8 in Albany, 1 above in Keene, 12 in Manchester, 11 in Concord, New Hampshire, 22 in Portsmouth, New Hampshire, 26 in New York City, 16 in Islip, and 28 in Montauk. Okay, HPC forecast here.
Several innocent people this weekend. You saw the security video first on 5. Just as the two customers walked out of the Mass Ave business, that suspect sneaks up behind and slugs one of them.
Heavy snow for the Cascades. Temperatures will be 10 to 15 degrees above average over parts of the Southern High Plains and the Central Plains. A storm over in the Upper Great Lakes, Western Ohio Valley will be moving into the Lower Great Lakes by Tuesday morning. Along the Milan coast will become dominate over the Gulf of Maine by Tuesday evening and then move northeastward into the Canadian Maritimes by Friday morning. A light to moderate snow will develop over the Great Lakes by evening and expand into parts of the northeast. By Tuesday morning, a small area of rain and freezing rain will develop over parts of the Ohio Valley on Monday evening. In addition, light to moderate rain will develop over the Tennessee Valley and move to the Mid-Atlantic coast by Tuesday, while intensified and moderate heavy rain. Furthermore, heavy snow will develop over parts of the northern New England by Tuesday evening and moving into southeastern Canada by Wednesday. Meanwhile, a front over the northern Rockies will move eastward to the Appalachians by Wednesday. The system will be reduced. Light snow over parts of the Great Lakes on Wednesday and rain over parts of the central Appalachians and the parts of Mid-Atlantic states. Showers and thunderstorms will develop over the parts of the central Gulf Coast by Monday evening and Wednesday. Elsewhere, onshore flow will be producing rain and elevation snows over the Pacific Northwest and snow inland over the Northern Rockies on Wednesday. Our friend will move
now 4 years old. She lives with her father.
Tuesday and move inland to the northern High Plains, Great Lakes by Wednesday. When the Manway comes onshore, the rain will be intensified, moderate heavy on Tuesday, and the snow will come heavy. Snow develop over parts of the northern High Plains, Great Lakes on Wednesday morning too. Here. Okay, let's take a look at our forecast discussion. Here, synopsis and high pressure moves offshore overnight. Another quick hit in Silver. Tuesday, the will bring several inches of snow into the interior with minor accumulation near the coast where changeover the rain is possible.
I wasn't expecting to turn
9:45 a.m. 9:45 p.m. update. Near term, made only minor change to the forecast. This evening, temperatures have already fallen into the single digits across the northwestern zones as well as a few other more sheltered locations across eastern Massachusetts. Teens blows off our locations, 7 p.m. an update. Forecast trends continue this evening. I'm trying to keep up with it. The couple in this evening, temperatures continue to drop to a clear skies. As light wind and deep snowpack skies over Pennsylvania, St. New York are starting to fill in from our portion system. Expected to occur over New England by the second half of the evening.
Pilot steps out of the cockpit for any reason, and a flight attendant steps in, so no one is ever.
Okay, let's take a look at our short duration but high impact storm event on Tuesday. Snow develops 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. in interior. Snow develops 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. eastern Massachusetts, Rhode Island. Heaviest snow noon to 6 p.m. Snow may end as rain along the southeast of the Boston and Providence, but not before accumulations. All precipitation ends between 6 p.m. and 9 p.m. Impacts difficult evening rush hour. 1+ inch per hour for snowfall rates, snow cover roads, and poor visibilities. Okay, let's take a look at our how much we gonna get. Less than an inch of snow from Plymouth County down to southern portion of Bristol County and Cape May Islands. 1 to 2 inches of snow from northern eastern Rhode Island and Tiverton down for Fall River, down for Taunton, and stretching down to Brockton and down for Plymouth County. 2 to 4 inches from 1 inch also from Southern Rhode Island. 2 to 4 inches from South Central Rhode Island down for Rhode Island, down for Warwick, down in Providence, stretching down to Albert, Taunton, and up into Bristol County, and then some portions of Norfolk County, and then up into Boston, and stretching down to Beverly. 4 to 6 inches possible from northern Connecticut, Rhode Island, and central Rhode Island, and stretching up into southern Worcester County, western Massachusetts, Metro West, and stretching it up into northeast Massachusetts. And 6 to 8 inches from central portions of Worcester and northern portions of Worcester County, down for Merrimack Valley and southern New Hampshire. 4 to 6 inches from extreme southwestern New Hampshire. Here. Alright, let's take a look at our winter weather advisory. Winter weather advisory remains in effect from 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Tuesday. Location mentioned in Interstate 95 quarter from southeast Massachusetts, Boston, and southeast New Hampshire. Hazard act snow will be heavy at times. Accumulations up to 3 to 5 inches for snow accumulations. Timing from mid-morning to the evening hours tomorrow. Impact heavy snow is possible at times with reductions in visibility and slippery conditions. This heavy snow may be falling during the evening commute. Winds it's 5 to 50 miles per hour, up to 20 miles per hour. Visibility is at 1/2 or less at times. Precautionary preparedness actions of winter weather advisories show wind, snow, or noises. Forecast development in the affected areas, but accumulations are expected to be like any snow ice would be resulting in slippery conditions on treated roadways. In sidewalks, when temperatures below freezing, motorists need to be especially careful as bridges over parts where slippery spots could easily develop.
Having some words and it escalated and then he ended.
Okay, 7-day forecast goes like this. For tonight, most clouds skies, low and 42 degrees, calm wind. Tuesday, storm skies high there, 35 degrees, calm wind becoming southeast by 5-8 miles per the morning. Chance of precipitation 7% and new snow accumulation 2 to 4 inches possible. Tuesday night, a chance of snow mainly before 7 p.m. most clouds skies and gradually becoming most coast skies lower than 24 degrees. West wind about 6 to 30 miles per chance of precipitation 30%. New snow accumulation of less than half an inch possible. Wednesday, rain likely made between 4 p.m. and 5 p.m. 40% skies and 44 degrees, light south wind increasing to 9 to 14 miles per hour in the morning. Chance of precipitation 6%. New precipitation amounts between 10 and 1/4 inch possible. Wednesday night, a chance of rain and snow before 10 p.m.
And so with a contract extension.
Then a slight chance of snow between 10 p.m. and 11 p.m. Podcast sky low and 20 degrees. West wind about 9 to 11 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 40%. Thursday, most of the time sky 9 to 45 degrees. Thursday night. Scattered showers mainly after midnight. Most clouds sky low and 34 degrees. Chance of precipitation 40%.
From the heart, I mean it, and you know we'll see where it goes from there. I mean we still.
Friday, rain likely clouds sky 52 degrees. Chance of precipitation 30%. Friday, a chance of rain. Most clouds sky low and 31 degrees. Chance of precipitation 40%. Saturday, most of the night sky 46 degrees. Saturday night, podcast sky low and 28 degrees. Sunday, chance of showers. Podcast sky 42 degrees. Chance of precipitation 30%. Sunday night, most clouds sky low and 24 degrees. On Monday, podcast sky 37 degrees. Peter's weather phrase of the night. We'll like to on Tuesday tomorrow. This BJ was happy. Good night. With a good positive. I'll be seeing you tomorrow morning. Good night.
Trouble signs to watch.